go. Pretty much after the weekend's events and stuff like that, you know. After the weekend's events, this is what I do. This, yeah. Oh, hope I could. Yep. Hope it's lasting. You know what I mean? Because I mean, that's really good you guys are doing that at this age, like learning different trades and stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's pretty awesome. Really brave of you guys. Learn how to do stuff like that. And then, yeah, there's so many different trucks to drive, style of trucks and stuff like that. This isn't, I'm sorry, I was thinking it caught me off guard, I guess. I was like, whoa, oh, okay, whoa, that's what's up. That's what's up. Well, that's a pleasant surprise, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what's up. Good looking out, man. That's what's up.
Mm-hmm.
That was funny. Wow. I didn't even realize you were. That's crazy. Sure. Yeah. Because I was wondering who that was. I did. That was your brother right there who had got in the car. That's what's up. I was like, I feel flattered y'all can't even see little old me, man. You know what I mean? Like, they have a lot of stops to make. I like total, sometimes like 80 to like 100. They be having a whole bunch, man. And they split them up and stuff like that, but yeah, this is just like the beginning part of my route, pretty much, you know. Sometimes, you know, you never really know. You know, it's like, yes, sir. You know, just primarily with the truck, just to empty the 3-yard bin, you know. Good question. Yes, indeed. My God. Yeah. Well, that's what's up. You guys have a cool channel. So you film a lot of guys doing the refuse and everything like that, and sack too and everything. That's what's up. That's what's up. What's up? My guy. Yeah. Here we go. Wow, we're making it. That's crazy. What's up? Cool little gig. Cool. It's like my good fortune over here. see that. I mean, the machinery, sometimes there's a lot of, just got to be careful. Safety, safety implications, I'm glad I'm making it through. You got me moving. Yes. Good morning. How you doing? So yeah, these two, man, I'm getting through, man. It's like you my good luck charm, bro. It's like you and Drew, bro, and you it's crazy. Probably ain't did the morning route this fast, did it, man? This is all what we've accumulated over the weekend. Yep, there. There, huh? Mm-hmm. Yo, they all rock with you. That's cool, man. Yeah. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. There it goes. I did that one. Instead of stepping on it, watch. I think I'll just start using this one for now.
Yeah, good idea.
My God. Yeah, always good to see, it does get pretty full, huh? Ah. He's like, I usually hear that line every now and then, like I lost my car, I don't know where my car is.
Listen, you gotta get one of them beepers.
Beep, beep.
Yeah, there you go. But you need a remote control where it can follow you up the hill.
Now that's actually a good idea. I wouldn't mind that. I like that.
There you go.
Come
A little sensor on you where it was always within 20 feet.
Yeah, I mean a little bit.
They'll always want you.
Yeah, they will. Yeah. I mean, I think there's a lot of good in that, but like I wouldn't want nothing to happen to me, Why? Right on. Appreciate that. Well, I don't know. I was kind of skating through this route this morning. Yeah, wow. Getting up there. I think before I get that last one, I think I might just grab the rig and come and pack it. I'll get the other one. One more. All good. And I'm gonna go across the street now. I'm gonna pick up, basically do what I did all the way up here. Grab